What is up, everybody? How are we doing, team? We are live on the Wolf YouTube trading account. Emp, Sam, we got a couple of our other friends who will be joining us, a Paper, a G-Knots, etc. It is S&P 500 rebalance day. This is a fun one. Last quarter, they decided to add no one, and we were here for like 2 hours waiting for it. Normally, it comes out at 5:05 p.m. Eastern. I love me some live streams. We already got 18 people in here hanging out with us. Sam, Emp, how are we doing? Mr. Emp, I'm going to come to you. I know you were kind of the face of Wolf Trading here a little bit with the beard. They're seeing you a bunch. What is up? How are we doing today, sir? How was your day?
Good. I was a little bit away from the markets throughout the day. Just got home in time for this. I didn't want to miss this. I'm excited to see what happens, especially the last time we were left just on such a cliff there with no changes on the rebalancing. So I'm excited to see what happens today. The day looked pretty interesting. I saw the first like 20, 30 minutes and just kind of checked in. I mean, it looks like we sold off super hard after that jobs report. I mean, it pumped at the open, then sold off super hard and went sideways. So it didn't look like I missed a whole lot other than that sell-off. But I don't know. You guys catch me up a little bit on today's market.
Yeah, I mean, I thought that might have been it. I thought that was like, what do they say? Double top. But as the market was pulling back, I was keeping a close eye on like big names that could be included in the SP 500, which is why we're here. We had App and we had Hood and everything. Like they were all just getting sold off. And I was like, wow, does someone know something here? Does someone know that Hood's not going to be in? And then we just saw straight up rallying, trending upward all day long. Not a single bid in the first hour, but after that, it was like zoom to the races. But under the hood, man, there were a lot of software names that were just rallying all day and strong the whole day, even regardless of the pullback. Of course, Avgo or Broadcom was rallying since basically the open, pulled back a little bit, kept going. We had GitLab, also MongoDB and Snowflake strong all day long. And then we even had an open door. They barely went green this whole day. Now they're up like 10% or something. Like it's pretty insane out there. This doesn't seem like a risk off moment. It's very hard for me to say that, hey guys, that's a top when you have like all these meme stocks just rallying in the face of just what could be a risk off is actually a risk on. So we'll see. And actually, I haven't checked recently, but if we get a close above around 480 on the Qs, that's a new all-time high for the Qs.
Yeah. What was the price you said? I am seeing, well, I'm looking at the indexes. It says NASDAQ 100. Nah, we probably didn't hire.
Closing all-time high, not intraday all-time high. The NASDAQ was higher. Yeah. So let's see. The high was
it came back down pretty hard.
Yeah. Oh, like we're at 576 now. So I mean, like, oh, my bad. We already closed. I guess I didn't realize that. Yeah, good. Still short of it, but go ahead.
No, you're good. Yeah, I see a bunch of people coming in and commenting as well. I do want to keep saying this a little bit throughout. The inclusion or the rebalance data, that is at 5:05 p.m. Eastern is when that normally comes in and happens. So we are waiting for that, 5:05 p.m. Eastern. That is the time we are waiting for. But I see a bunch of you guys in the chat, a lot of Sam fans. Shout out. Also, we are live on the Wolf Trading account here. We're going to be doing more and more on this one. So if you're watching on there, make sure you're giving the account a subscribe. Also, give the live stream a like, either where you are. Let's see some of these comments. If Hood joins, what's it going to be? Sam, you put out a post earlier. Let me pull that up quickly. And it was kind of talking through what might be added. And I also had a post as well. But let's get this. Sam,
dude, you broke it down pretty good earlier.
I know. I was on one today. I was having a good day. Let's see. S&P 500 index rebalancing candidates. Applovin, MicroStrategy, Hood, Carvana, Ares, LNG, Coupang, Vertiv, Viva, Heiko. Normally there are some like weird type of names. It's not all going to be like the big tech or Carvana. Which one? You have any thoughts on these ones where you're getting this list from? I know I've seen like the Applovins and the Hoods and the MicroStrategies talked about a lot, but my guess is maybe these are like some of the biggest ones that could possibly be included.
Yeah, the biggest growth stock tech names are usually on that list. I've been keeping a list of this for quite some time, and I got a few sources that I see here. Some people got Bloomberg stuff. They can actually pull up the real list. I actually did quote that post. The list is actually a bit bigger than that.
So what is it? So this is,
There you
so
go,
there
that
are
one.
some, let me actually, what are the requirements for a real ID that can tell you what I'm searching to get added to the S&P 500? I don't get this real ID thing necessarily, but we're going to move on from that. Key requirements: market cap of at least 22.7 billion as of July 2027, profitability, positive earnings on a GAAP basis in the most recent quarter and for the last 4 consecutive quarters, liquidity, public float, domicile must be in the US with a primary listing on a major US exchange, company structure, time since IPO. So it must be live for a year, profitable for 4 quarters in a row, over 22 billion, liquidity certain amount. There's probably more companies that actually fit that, but maybe these are like a certain thing.
Yeah, so Marvell was actually qualified, and I believe it was until last quarter. But they were qualified. They were close, but they didn't quite make the list. You know, what's actually really interesting was that Reddit is actually also eligible, and then you have Toast. I got a pretty big position in Toast. Pure Storage, also a semiconductor company as well. Can you imagine if Zoom gets in? That would just be so funny. I mean, I think I'm here for more for the humor than anything. If it's Hood, that'll be great. But if it's if it's Zoom, I mean, Kathy Wood would be very happy about that one.
Got the fastest car, Zoom.
That's right. Let's see
Proposed
here.
bill. But yeah, so those are some of the ones. Robinhood is obviously the one a lot of us want to see it ended up getting added in here, but no.
Yep.
Emp, you want to go through this list? Any ones that sound or look interesting for you on this? What do you think might be good? And then you want to throw your pot shot in the ring early on?
I don't know that I have a good get. I really don't think it's going to be MicroStrategy. I think I'll be surprised if they do that. I don't know. I just think they'll have more caution than to do something like that. How many are we getting? Do we know that answer?
No, it can change. Like it can be 0, like it was last time. There's been a lot of stocks being acquired and things like that. So maybe there has been some companies changing. But yeah, I'd say 2 or 3 is the number that I normally see. Would be my guess.
I would love to see Toast personally. That's probably just a biased opinion because I'm long that company and I really like that company. But out of those, I mean, I have to go with the people, right? We want Hood in. We want Hood in there. We want it respected. We want, retail feels like they're getting snubbed. Feel like that happened last time. I know a lot of people share that opinion. Let's go ahead and get Hood in there, and then they'll probably throw another one of the energy companies or Vertiv or something like that. So we'll see what happens. I don't know. Reddit's been a crazy story too. You look at
Yep.
Reddit and what they've been
Yep.
doing. I feel like there may be some extra eyes over on that one.
Yeah, that'd be interesting if Reddit gets in. No longer holding for me. Once I consolidated a lot of my ad tech names into Applovin. Not going to be snarky about it, but I mean, hey, if Reddit gets in, that's overall bullish for all of ad tech. You know, the thing is, last one, it was not a rebalance for the last one that just did happen. I forgot which company got taken out. I think it was Juniper was taken out, and then Hewlett Packard acquired Juniper. So that made a spot there. Oh, no. Actually, that was when Walgreens got taken out at SP 500. Interactive Brokers was put in, and there was a lot of like slack on X, people like saying like, hey, why are you putting in that brokerage account when Hood is like growing way faster, whatever. At the end of the day, I doubt this committee has something out for Vlad, if anything. I mean, it'll be great if they get in, but like if they don't, like it's going to happen anyway. It's going to happen at some point. They're not going to go negative in terms of their profitability. The company's growing. They're riding a massive secular trend. If it's anything, Hood will be a massively growing player in this entire industry. Go ahead. Yeah.
I went to check. I'm seeing June in here, who I heard some of the stuff was going on. I am a fan of you. We appreciate you. I don't know how much you want to talk about it, but send her love. But I'm seeing a lot of homage chat in here, a lot of in your chat, Sam. And I went to look, and he's not live. Can someone send him a message?
Dude,
like tell him, like, guys, listen. This is
in the airport.
Robinhood possible inclusion. I don't care. A true Robinhood influencer would be live right now, if you ask me. I'm kidding. I'm messing around. Please don't come at me. Big fan.
Now,
big
Ahmed
fan.
said he's going to be live, but I think he's going to be live close to it. In fact,
Okay.
the last time he went live on it was really funny because it was when there
They didn't get
was
added, right? No one got added.
no one got added.
Yeah, I
And he
sat
literally
here-
sat there in that stream for like 2 hours. That
I
was
did.
very
No,
annoying
we
to
did
happen.
too.
We
you guys
we
had
Jordan,
yes, sir?
look, it was me, Evan, and Jordan, and then Jordan dropped off. Evan hung out with me for another like 45 minutes, and he dropped off, and I still sat here for another like hour by myself, and just like just in case. And then we finally got like that confirmation that nothing was happening. Their website went down too.
Yeah, their website went down. Everyone's hammering it. And actually, it's funny. This morning, the BLS or Bloomberg said the BLS was having
I was
like issues in
muted.
their end, so they might release the
That was a
the
non-story,
NFP
though.
numbers. Yeah, I know it was because it came out
Yeah.
like as soon as
Gotcha.
5:30 or 8:30 a.m. So yeah, Amit's traveling.
There
A
you
lot
go.
of people are on here because you know what? I make some appearances on Amit's live stream. I mean, those guys are awesome, and of course, they're very
Amazing.
strong hood bulls and whatever. But glad to see you guys on here. Great to see you guys, Adam,
need to
June,
this.
Duck. I know you're on there a lot. Many guys on there. Wolfie's on there. I thought I saw Wolfie comment earlier.
It was.
Snipe is in here too.
I sent Wolfie to join, but he couldn't. Maybe a little later. We'll hopefully get some more friends in here. Let's play with this. Does this look better? I think it's a little bit more on the screen. Let's also give this. What
Yeah,
stock
comments aren't
needs
over
to
my
be on?
face anymore.
What stock? I know. It was. We need to see that beard. Micron was a leader today, up 6%. Oracle ending the day up 4.5%. Penn up 4%. Rivian came out of nowhere, started to look pretty good.
Yeah.
That one's a popular. Let's see. Grab. I can't lie. I am in a little bit of grab. Where did that close for you guys?
There you
Knowledge?
go.
All right. Is he getting his little spike up there? This is the level.
I would love that. I still ride my leaps in my big position on grab, man. I'm into that emerging markets.
Here's the question, and I'm curious what the chat thinks too. Who do you think's getting in? What names do you think getting in? Because I want to put those up here on my watch list so we can watch for the pops and the moves. Obviously, Hood.
My guess.
I guess I'll put Applovin up here, but I want to put I have six spaces up here for charts. So throw me in the chat what you think. What you think's going to be added in so I can keep it on watch.
So Applovin, MSTR, I definitely got to make sure in here. Let's get the list that we're on Sam's. He also had. I probably don't have Aries or LNG on here. Aries. Vertiv is a data center name, right? Data center cooling.
Vertiv's a sneaky one that could get in.
Yeah, I have to agree with Amp. If Vertiv gets in, I mean, that's a very hot stock right. In fact, AOTG has that in their ETF portfolio. Vertiv Holdings, that could get in. You actually said earlier that Micron was up like 6%. So the reason why Micron is up 6% today is because you saw the earnings with Avgo or Broadcom. You saw that they signed a $10 billion contract to build custom ASIC chips for OpenAI. All of these chips and GPUs, Micron is a winner of that because their high bandwidth memory is a required component for that. And the US is trying to weed out the foreign players in that sector. So they're trying to weed out SK Hynix. They're trying to weed out Samsung. So Micron was actually pretty undervalued and wasn't pricing in the growth that they could be coming toward them as well as demand. So that's a really good catch-up play. I would not be surprised to see that one make a new all-time high. I think it's like around 145s, 150s.
Were we
But
talking
that's
about
not
this with John? Was this with John Tinsman is where we were talking about this recently?
Yes, we did during his.
I remember thinking, wow,
that's
a dumb. I think right here is when I was in my mind, I was like, oh, that's kind of a dumb play. And here we are at 122 from 131. That happens in my mind a good little bit. Good things I keep stuff in my mind sometimes.
I mean, if Avgo dumped after those earnings, then I doubt it will be up 6%. But here we are, semiconductors ruling the street, except for NVIDIA and AMD, which is just FUD, in my opinion. Just complete FUD.
Applovin ended up closing the day down 1%. Applovin and Hood are probably the poster childs right now for this. Both ended up closing the day down a little bit. I just got a little bloop. Someone joined. Oh, we got another Amit stream favorite, Technical Tuesdays.
Oh!
We got a paper gains.
Papel.
What is
Mr.
that?
Jason paper gain. What are you swinging? What are you swinging?
Paper. I'm in some ROBN. I got into some of the 2x Robinhood ETF.
RVN's good. RVN's
So
good. The good part
I
about-
want
Like
to.
if let paper get Miss
I hear
Rachel
you
on the
now.
screen in the back first.
I hear you
First
now.
of all, this guy's got a rocket ship, so fair enough. I respect the game, but I put out
A
this
rocket
post.
ship. Stop it.
Sometimes too many worlds come together. We have a possible S&P 500 inclusion. We have the Robinhood event coming up. It's done pretty good around these events. Now, the last one did coincide with the whole tariff thing, so who knows? Then we got someone I'm working with that I can end up using their product with it. It's like a win-win-win, possibly.
Oh, you got the
50
whole crew. Look at this.
53.83 is what I'm in on this one. I saw Hood under 100. Why not? Up a tiny bit. Come on. Give me the inclusion. Give me a little bit
Dude, that
more.
would be wild. I would really enjoy my weekend if Hood gets in. Like,
You know what?
seriously.
But do you know what I think it is? We have now successfully gotten to the point where I think you're like, people don't expect it to happen anymore. It's like
Is it
the last couple
sure?
times everyone was like, we're getting in, guys. Now you have successfully been like, you're not getting in, and that's when it happens. Because Robinhood deserves to be in.
Is it selfish of me to kind of like be a little greedy?
You want
like,
more?
Yeah, if it doesn't get in and then it dips and be like, oh, I'm pretty sure it was a really good month. And then I'm like thinking about, wow, there's so much more to go still on Hood. I'm like, I kind of still would like to buy some more. But anyways.
That was my trader brain thought the same way, Paper. I was sitting there
Either
going,
way,
okay.
either way, I really, it's all good.
Yeah, my head said, okay, with where the stock's at today, I would rather it dip, buy more, and then get this inclusion like another month or two down the road.
Well, I mean, it would be amazing.
Hey, did you see the IV today on those options? It's insane.
I legitimately thought about doing a straddle because I'm like, either way. I passed on it. It wasn't that bad.
What name specifically are you talking? Like Hood?
He's talking about Hood.
Applovin and Hood too. You look at those. Look at the.
I didn't even think about Applovin, dude. I mean, so to be fair, historical. So it's not that bad, and I don't think it's that bad. Because we have FOMC in general. So that's still priced into the market as a whole. And then today was NFP. So, I mean, there's a lot of IV in the market in general. But without getting too far in the weeds, it's honestly, it's not that bad. It's just a more expensive stock now. So
I saw under 100 was interesting today, though. When was last? I mean, I guess it's had some battles under there, but
yeah,
this is the type of day where you have a move higher, and then the typical move would say, we're up to here, we're at like a 106 coming into this, then they don't get included, and we're down at 97. But we've already done that today. Come on, the juju's been made. We're going up. It's Friday. Life's too short to think anything else besides bullish. We'll have plenty of time after this to be upset if we don't get included again. What time is the announcement, by the way?
Yeah, so
5:05 p.m. Eastern is what time this normally happens.
Yeah,
sorry, wait. I lied. 5:15 p.m. Eastern.
Yeah,
guys, sorry. Yeah. That's my bad. But look, this is it every time. 5:15 p.m. Eastern. And then also just quickly, I want to go over to this, which is the post that I made earlier talking a little bit about this. The S&P 500 rebalance happens. The stocks get added on the third Friday of March, June, September, December. That is the quarterly rebalance. And they get announced 2 weeks before, so the first Friday of every single one of these months. There's also some other times where the indexes get added in, but this is the time frame for this. So September right now, December 1st, 2nd, whatever the first Friday of that month is the next time you'll be sitting here on the planned quarterly balance. And then when companies who are part of the index get acquired on the day where they stop trading, then another name gets added in. But I think that this is also a good little context.
Someone said earlier that they think that it happens on the second Friday of the month. So the announcement comes today, but like you're saying,
I believe it's the third Friday. I think it's the third Friday is when it gets added.
Same. Yeah, it's the same as like the options
19th.
expiration day, right?
The 19th.
Quad
Yeah.
witching, triple quad witching.
BMNR had a nice dip today. Sorry, guys. I do have ADHD, so we'll see if that's good or bad. I'm pretty
Really?
deep in BMNR. And,
Me too.
listen, it had a nice little comeback, but was a rough day. I trust Tom Lee. Come on.
I mean, 30.
I would like to also say, can I just say something about this? I want to introduce the chat to Emperador. This guy up here has been shorting BMNR for the last couple of days, and if the chat
tell me
wants to
about
boo
it.
him,
I
think
sold
his
on
internet is
Tuesday. I saw
crapping
it
out.
paper handed. I sold too early.
I think his internet is crapping out. He might be dropping soon, actually.
Yeah.
We should just
Well,
get
we-
Ahmed to join this one.
I'm waiting for Ahmed. No, listen, Ahmed's too big time. Ahmed does what he wants. He joins. We join his if he wants. But we're just hanging out.
That's funny.
I was talking to him earlier. I was like, "You're not doing a stream?" I guess he's on on a plane.
Come on, it's
That's why-
Robin.
that's why they're all
Robinhood
here.
is gonna get added. Robinhood is gonna get added.
Like,
Well,
then
you
we
could
can all
tell-
blame on it. But we can all blame him because last time he sat here for 2.5 hours waiting on the website to come
Yeah.
back up and it didn't get in. And now that he's on a plane, it'll actually happen. It's his fault.
I think he said he was because I was listening to this morning. He said that he was going to stream it, but he's going to be at the airport or traveling or something. So
Yeah.
if that's the case. It's like I remember before he was like acting all quiet and stuff. Like so, I was actually hoping Robinhood would get in, so it'd be like super awkward in the airport where he's like the only dude like screaming in excitement.
Right before takeoff, just yes.
His flight got delayed.
Oh,
that's-
no!
Well, at least he's not going to be in midair when the announcement comes out.
No, last quarter his flight got delayed.
Oh, I thought you meant like today.
Yeah. No, I don't know today. I don't know today. I had to jump off a stream early, but yeah, it'd be interesting. Dude, there's 106 people on my YouTube channel watching. Thank you so much for joining.
YouTube.
Yeah, no, honestly, what's the handle of your YouTube account, Evan?
Wolf Trading. We actually have 289, but look at me in the chat.
How do you
There
guys
can
even
tell.
see that?
It shows us on top. Well, it shows me because I'm the host, and it shows Sam probably because it's through his. But
gotta
look
look
at
at
how
my
active
YouTube
your
account.
chat is, and I also love how June is a celebrity in there. Everyone's
Is June
talking around her. She's like a center of the community. He gets Wi-Fi on planes sometimes. There's been stories that Wi-Fi is going to be added to all these planes. By the way, I wanted
Nice.
to look through this.
My chat
there-
is I cannot see the chat on my end, so for whatever reason, it's like
gains.
no, like I can't like the chat doesn't update when I join the restream. I don't know what's going on, but it's
Oh
like
my
frozen.
goodness.
The last one I see is from I don't see. Dang
Like
it.
they don't have Starlink on planes. He's at the security check in the airport. Is he live tweeting this or something? Let's see.
You guys have really good tabs on Ahmed.
I know this is. Are we? Is there like a Discord?
Well,
Okay.
I gotta set up
Well,
my.
get
I gotta turn up my
started.
hidden camera. I actually hired someone to just follow him all day to find out what he's doing.
How do we know where he is right now, everybody? Guys, I also heard it's his birthday. You should message him happy birthday.
That's funny.
Oh, there we go. That's my favorite comment so far.
He will be live.
Guys,
if you are in here- It's time. But if you are in here waiting for him, he will be live. So don't worry. You can leave us and go to the person you want to be at. Glad we could be the pre-stream. Give the stream a like. Also subscribe so maybe you can see your pre-streams more and more again. Hello, no rock.
Trump is speaking
Sammy.
live. He just signed a executive order.
Wonderful order. What is the order about?
Dude, I
It's
tweeted-
Department of War thing.
It was changed it to the Department of War.
I tweeted about the Zuckerberg that someone took a picture of Zuckerberg chatting with Sundar Pichai, and I just thought it was like some stupid joke that I posted last night before I was about to go to bed, and apparently
but
people
you
love
see-
it. There's like 200K impressions on it. It's insane.
Look at this. These are all the people who were at that dinner last night, all just kind of sitting around. I thought the order of where they were sitting was really interesting. And it looks like everyone got pretty much a +1. So Zuckerberg took Alexander Wang, Satya Nadella with Bill Gates probably, Sundar, Brin, Tim Cook maybe only got himself. Palantir's CTO is there. That was Sham. There was a
I didn't
couple other
realize
interesting.
Safra Catz was there.
I believe who?
Safra Catz, CEO of Oracle.
Yeah, Oracle also, her husband was there as well. She had a +1. Shift 4. So some people brought like them, but the Shift 4 founder, I believe Jared Isaacman was there for Elon Musk.
Was Carp too good to go? What happened?
Carp, well, AIPCon was yesterday, so probably
Yeah,
could not
AIPCon.
go.
Well, that's
So
right.
they
He was doing
were-
that other one.
Yeah, let's see. Nope, this is that post. But we can kind of see the picture and see where they were seated. We had Zuckerberg right next to Trump. David Sachs, the biggest wild card of them all, the SPAC king, SPAC man, Chamath. This guy getting there is good for him. I mean, honestly,
he had to have been David Sachs plus one.
At the back
Plus,
of Tim Cook's head.
Yeah, that is the back of Tim Cook's head, but I still can't get over. I think the finesse deserves a couple more seconds. Like
The question: would you rather
truthfully-
sit in front of the president or beside him?
I think that this is the prime seat. I think
Yeah,
Zuckerberg
right-hand-
is
the
prime
right-hand man.
seat. This guy, he also after it, he put a shoulder hand over him. This Zuck is prime time slot. There's one thing I also want to point out, not on screen. Satya Nadella is over here, so like even one person. So that's like we even got Sean. A little
Short
closer,
Microsoft.
too. But I'm still. Can we go back to this? Is the SPAC a buy? Chamath is literally at this table. How is he at this table? Sometimes in 2025, you just got to respect it. Respect the game. Respect the grift. I might have to go in and buy that SPAC. We'll see.
Yeah, no, I'm not going to do
Yeah,
that.
plus
Well, it depends what the SPAC is, though. It depends which company they're going to bring in.
I'm not going to buy the company. I'm going to buy the SPAC. Google leads Monster Week for tech, pushing mega caps to combined $21 trillion market cap is a
That's insane.
CNBC headline out right now. $21 trillion market cap, mega caps. What do they even consider a mega cap? Whatever.
Oh, that's a good point.
Sometimes when you're live, you just got to do it. We also have Greg
I'm
Brockman and
totally
Sam
sure.
Altman. This is Alexander Wang.
Those guys
This
look
is-
young.
Yeah, well, he was young. How old is Alexander Wang?
Isn't Jensen in China
28.
or something right now?
Okay, who in this call is older than 28? Everyone, I'm 27. We'll count it. You guys are all failures.
You're gonna make me feel
Who in the chat?
really old.
Right? This guy is 28 and at that table. There you go. Good for him.
Call me. I have
This
a
is
theory.
the CEO. This is the COO of GROQ.
Yeah.
He liked the post yesterday. He liked this post, by the way. I kind of did a little thing.
Nice.
What were you? This is Satya Nadella.
Sundar.
Nope, Sundar Pichai.
Sundar
My bad.
Pichai, yeah.
Bill Gates. This is I think this is the Oracle CEO, correct?
Yeah, that's
Over
Software
there.
Cats. So that's her
Lisa
husband
Sue.
that's next to her? Like,
I
can't
believe
even
that is
tell.
her husband next to her.
Interesting.
Wolfie said he's going to end up taking Arrow on public.
What?
What was that? Let's see.
Look at Wolfie's comment.
24. We got some ages in the chat. All right. LUFC, failure. 35, failure. Jay, this guy's ahead of all of us. I'm kidding. I love you all. Paying tribute to the emperor. Yeah, respect the beard.
Yeah, that background's actually not fake. That's a real background.
This is where I was. I was right
Yeah.
behind I sent Evan a picture. I was right behind this thing all morning trying to deal with some
Who is
government
the
stuff.
person sitting left of Alexander Wang? Let's go back to this.
another young kid.
+1.
I had no, probably not. I had a list of pretty much everyone who was in this, and then there was a Fortune article. Give me a second. Let me try and find that. Who was at the White House Tech Dinner? Fortune did a decent thing, although they missed some people. This scares me.
Who is the person left of Alexander Wang?
I'm just gonna tell you it's one of the. Ooh, am I on the right one? It's gonna be someone from here. So, chat. Does anyone know? This is everyone who's involved. Oh, we got the ad. C- on my answer on that one, actually. Yeah, let's go with a C-.
Watch.
Is this your chat? Are you live as well, Paper? Or are you
Yeah.
in a nice?
Yeah.
With the whole squad. Intel files prospectus for resale of warrant and shares. What exactly does that mean?
Goodness. Let's see here. Where's Intel? Not really affected.
File to register potential resale of warrants by the U.S. Commerce Department. So this is like with the U.S. sale or something. Let's see. It wasn't moving in after hours. Intel at all? No, not really. My portfolio was down 1.1%. How did everyone in the chat's portfolio do today? I can't hide it. This is how my actual portfolio did today. And honestly, this is why BM&R. Yeah.
I gotta be honest. After when the market opened, my portfolio was up a really good amount, and then after that big dump, dude, Applovin went down hard, Hood went down hard, and a few high beta names went down. I was down pretty bad.
I'm actually green. Let me see.
Nice.
Let me see. What is the big winners? Oh, RH, Rivian, Baba, CRM.
Again, someone's in the chat. We got a down 0.3. We got a up 0.9.
ANF, Builders First.
I didn't look. I like this answer. Sometimes that's good for down days.
Yeah. So RH, I think, was the largest dollar mover on the day. Then Rivian, and then Baba.
Rivian was nice. Out of nowhere a little bit too. The pop at the first candle on Rivian. Maybe it was the other day.
Rock o'clock is the right answer. For sure.
I love that. That's an awesome name.
Let's see. Freedom Loving Nick was up 2.3% today. Nick, what are you in? Well, give me your largest holding. I want to hear it. TSM. What was that green? Off the Avgo. Geez, look at this 5-minute candle.
Whose channel is K Smiley on?
Sometimes when you're on the 1-minute chart or the 5-minute chart, just moves like crazy.
Reversal today.
Yeah, this is nice. What this first candle, open green, come all the way down, and then
yeah, crazy.
Rivian.
G tips.
This person's a fan of you, Duck. They're on the Wolf Trading chat.
Rivian, baby.
Heaviest in Tesla, Rocket Lab, and MicroStrategy. RKLB.
Dollar movers. I mean, okay, so actually Tesla for sure. Tesla is like, that was a huge move today.
Yeah, this for anyone who didn't see
it. I was gone most of it. Did it hold on to its move?
Not the open one, but it closed up 3.5%.
Like if you zoom out, it's still in the same box, but
it closed over 350. That's a whole
closed at 350, but he put it like another crazy package proposal.
Let's see.
Nearly $1 trillion.
Is that for real? I thought somebody was trolling me when I read that.
Okay, so here's what the pay package is. It's not like $1 trillion now, but if we're at 8.5 trillion, you add all this stuff together, where it will end up being worth. But this is what it is. The Tesla stock has to be over a certain market cap. It's $2 trillion, $500 billion tranches on top of that until you get up to 6.5 trillion, and then it goes 7.5, 8.5. And then there's an operational milestone that is paired with that. So 20 million vehicles delivered, 10 million active FSD subscribers, 1 million bots delivered, etc. And basically, and there's also adjusted EBITDA ones. And he needs to pair like any two of these together. So he needs to get over 2 trillion for a certain amount of time. And then he also can get like $80 billion of adjusted EBITDA, and he'll unlock the first tranche. There's other stuff around it. Like he has to hold it for, I believe, 5 years, has to be at the company for a certain amount to get all the shares. But there was this new pay package. And this is where it would end up bringing him up on the ownership. It would get him up to 28.8% if his previous share sale ends up getting approved. If that gets struck down, then it would put him up to 25%. What were you saying, Up?
I was going to say, sir, these are shares that Tesla just owns of their own company, right? These are
okay. I think this is dilution. I mean, how can you do this without dilution? So I believe
that's what I was trying to figure out. Are these like,
This is prognostication from Evan, by the way.
I mean, I don't see how you get. How do you get this many shares to someone? How do you get?
But maybe they do buybacks. You never know.
Maybe they do buybacks and it ends up equaling itself out. But you don't get someone from 18.1% ownership up to 20. You don't get someone from 13.5. This is where he's at right now. And if the other one goes through and then so you don't get from 13.5 to 28.8 ownership without like something happening there. So I don't know, but Elon's getting more value. But at the end of the day, like if
Sam,
Elon
it's
has
5:05 p.m.
can we also do it is 5:15, my bad. If we
Oh,
end up doing the 28.8%, and that means Tesla has to be over an $8.5 trillion market cap. Just doing some backhand math here. 28.8% of 8.5 trillion, 100,000 million. Okay, that's just such a big number. 100,000 million billion. Actually, let's try this. What is 28.8%? 28.8% of 8.5 trillion. 2.248 trillion. If this package goes through, Elon's Tesla shares are worth $2.484 trillion. I mean, this guy that's it's a large number. It's a big number. That is also what Tesla is currently at a $1 trillion market cap. So this is a 3x, 4x from the current levels for him to get to this. So I don't know. It's quite a lot of money, quite a large amount. Let's see what the chat is saying. When Sam Miami meetup? If the chat continues like this, next month. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Thanks for doing the stream. I do know Amit is live. We'll do some stuff. I know Amit will be live at some point. He said, Joby done going down? ? You a fan? You train this a little bit?
No,
I mean, nah. What are we talking here? Maybe. This is playing on the theme. Hoodie though is Robinhood about to get into the S&P 500 index. Like I was saying earlier, it feels like we're at the appropriate time where people are now don't think it's going to happen. They think it's done. They think that the karma is in, that it's rough, that whatever. I think it's time you get in.
Let's see some
What
movers.
browser is Evan using? #ad. I'm using Perplexity Comet, which now through a little PayPal partnership. I don't know how you get this. I didn't look too far into it. You can try Comet for free now, which is pretty good. But that is what I am using, Perplexity Comet. It's interesting. Guy, don't wait for it. I hope he goes live. Not on those shares. I don't know what that means. It's Ryan. Is Ryan?
This is it's obviously
Did you
it's
build
an actual
that?
background. No, this is a picture I took with my cell phone down the street.
Really? All right. I need that guy.
Today.
I need that guy. I actually I didn't really look too deep into the picture. I'm sorry. It was just a very distracting time. I need someone who's really good at GeoGuessr to tell me where that is. Let's dox him. I'm kidding. Love you all. Don't do that. He just said
just
he
Google
will
it.
be
It's
with
called
his dentist tonight.
El Cerrito. Just Google it. It's right down the road. Fubo paper.
Did you guys see Lululemon? Well, what happened with Fubo?
Nothing.
Don't worry about it.
5% today.
Don't buy it.
Lulu, they have
one of my crew likes.
Ruru is dead.
Lulu has been pretty rough, but also what I will say is Fubo TV, they're the one that may be merging with Hulu or something. I didn't fully look too deep into it.
When is that? Isn't that merger happening?
I think so. That's what it sounded like. Lulu though, rough day, down 18%. I don't know why. What is this? Because it closed higher than what it opened is why this little candle is green. What's the saying? 80, like all the gaps fill. Allegedly.
What?
Never heard that.
You guys, traders, all you talk about is gaps fill.
That's so you have to. So as Evan is hanging out with more and more traders, he's starting to learn the nuances between traders. So first, Evan has gone through his understanding of traders and then investors, and now the more of us that he hangs around, he's going to start to learn the nuances between the different types of traders. and like he's gonna be like, holy crap. There's like 10 is like Baskin Robbins, 31 different flavors of traders. And they don't always like have the same perspective either. So not all gaps get filled, but I'm a different kind of trader than maybe a futures trader. Some traders are like, get in, get out. I don't care about anything beyond a 2-second chart or like a 15-second chart. Some are like in, 3-6 months. Some are like, but everybody has a different phrase based on what their perspective is.
Guys, what is happening with Open Door? It's still going. I don't know why it's on this watch list.
I don't even want to look at it, man. Don't make me look.
665. This guy, did he do it? Is he holding the sign again today? Fair enough. I respect it.
No, it is a highly leveraged play on the housing market coming back.
You guys know what's funny?
Today?
It's been in Rocket, but I want to say something.
20 handle on it. I was like, it's a 20 handle. I'm like, oh man.
What I will say though, Sam, we were on Stocks and Spaces the other day. He brought up, guys, listen, I'm in a little bit of a YOLO trade on Open Door. It's, we're on this housing thing, throwing darts. It's the highest beta. People want to get behind it. And he got eviscerated on the thing. That was
you guys smoked me on that.
I did not. I defended you. I was like,
I know. You did. But
listen,
I feel like I was forced to sell.
Yeah, you did definitely sell out. Watch it go to like 60 now or something. Listen, Ponzi's do end, bubbles do pop, but I guess if you get in early enough, there's a fun little moment in there, and you can hold signs in front of Drake and stuff. Listen, I love the chat. Paper games. This might even be your chat too.
He was back at Drake's house again today. What are we doing? That's so gimmicky. I wouldn't want to touch this company.
It's okay. I mean, I also think it's just like his thing, and he's growing his brand, and like you kind of respect. Yeah. Listen. I don't like it. I don't love it, but I respect it. Good for him. We're on his page now, though. NVIDIA had a statement after the close. Is there anything else?
I like how people are coming onto our YouTube channels asking where Ahmed is.
Whose channel? They're asking on my channel. Whose channel are they asking? Are they on?
At least 20%. Yeah. At least 20%. Do you know what else I'm noticing is we have most people in the Wolf trading chat, but because a lot of you guys are from X and not really like used to like typing in it, the 100 of you in Sam's chat are just super, super active and killing it.
Let's go.
Have they still not announced 5:15? This is what time they end up going in and announce it. So 5:15.
I think Sam and me are gonna go for this. I got 176, and we're going. I'm going after you.
Okay,
Sammy.
I'm sorry. I actually can't. You have more than him. I just for some reason it's not showing up.
Yeah. I don't.
Guys, here we go. Where's Amit? He's at the airport. He's saying just announced. I don't think it just announced.
Baby.
Oh, you do have a YouTube channel.
What is up, YouTube?
I'm subscribed to it.
We started.
I did the same thing just now. I was like, I need to go find Sam's.
I started this channel yesterday.
I was subscribed to Sam's already too. I didn't even know.
Get out of here! You just started yesterday. You got 5K subscribers overnight.
I started.
Someone's trying to say it started. Someone's trying to say it. I don't see it out.
It's not. No, it's not out.
I can try and get this to maybe we can get a couple charts up here and we can watch it, or I can just spam. There is a time where this also watch list will change, so it's after hours. Let me stop sharing my
just
screen.
Go to
Let's see if I can play around with this.
Go to just create a new layout and use the one that has like 8 charts and just put all the top names on there.
Sector, but maybe I could do like an after hours move and just get them on here and we'll see it.
I'm at channel refuge.
I mean, shout out to the influence he's been building, and I mean, it's impressive.
It's not an influence, dude. That's an army.
Okay, let's get back to sharing the screen. I can't figure it out. I'll get all the ones on there, but we'll do that a little bit closer to it. Let's close some of the tabs, guys. Always remember, stay healthy. Close some of your tabs. It's just too many tabs I see on too many people's screens.
You're trying to use that fancy new browser.
No, I have another thing. Just close some of your tabs, guys. What are we doing?
Just
chat. Close your tabs.
It drives me crazy how many tabs you always have open on your computer. You
Me?
need some monitors. Yes, you need monitors back.
You need more windows.
I don't have that many tabs open. I have this. It is a little difficult. Here's some but whatever. By the way, for anyone who missed it earlier, I did take a little bit of a trade off of this. I'm not the expert trader up here. I leave that to the paper gains and the M. And I don't want to not say Sam, but you're an investor.
Sam's been a nice little heater.
Sam,
I'll just say,
you feel
Sam.
what percent disrespect do you feel by me not putting you in the trader camp there?
No, I actually am
No.
not a trader. I'm
Okay,
85. No, I think it's 80% now.
He says that, but you should see him on those. You should see him on those hood prediction markets at night. That guy.
That's not trading, dude. That's
Guys,
making
by the
money. That's
way-
not trading.
Trading
By
in
the
and out.
way, there is a football game tonight. So watch out for that.
Dude, are you guys ready for this? I mean, okay, so here, regardless of whatever happens with Hood, I'm just saying, from now till February, it's going to be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. 5 days straight. 5 days straight. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.
I know you guys are more traders and you
jam-packed.
need the juice. But dude, Disney literally owns the NFL media stuff. They own Red. Like, how is this not bullish for Disney? Come on, football's back. They also have a sports betting thing now. I don't know where the exact story I'm looking for is, and there's probably some smaller players on it. But Disney.
I don't think they get the red zone stuff for another 2 years, right?
When does Disney get?
That's what I was
red
listening
zone?
to McAfee when I went to sleep last night. I'm pretty sure it's still a year or 2 years out.
Disney began offering NFL Red Zone as a part of its new streaming bundle on September 3rd through DTC. This bundle has subscription launch date September 3rd. What about the linear?
How do I save myself? I've been rolling cover calls on DraftKings since 38. It just keeps going up.
No, it looks like it's
you
under
need
it
to,
now. Looks like the deal's closed.
Yeah, but I think it's something to do with the commercials
Fubo.
and stuff. I think it's still owned by the.
By the way,
the NFL.
guys, it will not be 7 hours of commercial-free football.
No,
will
it's
now
7
be
hours of red zone football.
Zone football. Fubo TV. This is what someone in the chat just said, and I know there was some inside joke that happened on here that I didn't get. But Fubo TV might be one. We've also heard people playing it through Genius Sports. That's one that I own a little bit of.
Ooh,
I'm a Genius Sports.
I think I got cut off.
What's up?
Would you get cut off on?
My stream looks like it got chopped.
Oh, your stream got cut off?
Well, somebody else asked if Miss Cleo has any cards for the
What's up,
S&P
Tevis?
inclusion.
We're a fan.
Yeah, wait for
We're
sports.
also getting. By the way, we're getting a couple questions.
Oh,
We're getting
Miss Cleo Sports would be massive. Go ahead.
No, they're asking about the S&P 500 inclusion. Maybe after this at some point, paper. Let's pull up what Miss Cleo said for the week, and we'll see what ended up happening. Got a question about Perplexity. There's been a couple of these. Listen, honestly, maybe if you guys have PayPal, you could try it out for free. I like it. I'm biased, so you guys should go in and try it out for yourself.
You would be
at some point.
You call the Geek Squad. You would be surprised.
What's up, Tevis? By the way,
someone had a question here. Can you see this retail? Did you see Oscar? So there was actually, I don't know if you want to talk about stocks. Yeah, what do you think of Oscar Health? There was that news. It's the
Oscar's had quite a move. Let's pull this up to the one.
Yeah, that was a great move. I shared a post on it earlier.
It was the ACA marketplace.
Yes. So
it's a subsidy extension.
You got a testosterone post as your pinned post. Are you compensating? I'm kidding. Love you.
So that Oscar news,
I gotta put that other one.
Oscar was huge.
So Oscar today, I don't know.
So Oscar's guide was without those numbers. That's the big story.
So they were 15 to 20% for the next 2 years, right? EPS and revenue or something.
Yes.
Which that's their estimate. Whoa. This is okay. So that is kind of neat, Evan.
What?
That's what this browser does for you.
Right? It's cool. And you can also, I could tell you guys to do this. Take over the browser and use the top 3 most popular indicators
This is
on
his favorite trick.
Robinhood. This is my favorite trick, and put them on the chart. Take over my browser. Let's get over to Hood because that's the name we care about. And see what it does.
24-minute warning here.
It's not doing it. It should like. Nope, there we go. So we'll let that end up playing it out. But this is also some of the stuff. I'm just also kind of dumb, so I don't know how to use it to its full max. But I my guess is this has got to be what the stuff like you can do with Chrome in the future. Sup, nerds?
So I was gonna say, I mean, I don't know if it's like directly related,
Go ahead,
but
Zeb.
at
Yeah.
Atlassian or Team, they actually did acquire a company called the Browser Company, but I think it has more to do with their product.
I'll
Oh,
take a look
thought
in
it
a
was kind of
second.
related.
All right, what's the name of the browser, Evan?
It's perplexity comment #ad. We don't have to keep talking about this. I promise.
Hashtag.
You
Well, no,
convinced me,
somebody's
download it,
asking
but-
in the comments.
No, sorry for that. Use,
Oh, hashtag ad, no free ads. Wow, can it trade futures for me?
No, you'd probably get wrecked, honestly, but we'll see. Wow, can it trade futures for me? There we go.
Is there a wait list?
There is this Copilot just joined. No, this is comment, but I'm sure Copilot does it. Oh, do you like? It just changed the chart colors.
Nice.
All right. Why did you change?
But
No, it won't be
volume was the
nice.
#1 most popular. VWAP and EMA.
Chart colors.
50 EMA.
Please change the candle colors to be back to green.
Can it block
and
YouTube?
red. I did spell candle wrong. What do you think of Adobe is what we're getting added. So what do we think? And also Carl said, skip my question. I don't know where your question was. And I also don't know if you're giving us crap for skipping your question or you want us to skip your one, but some stuff happens. Let's see what it does here. But whoever does candles like this, or is it back? Whoever does their colors like that just looks weird.
Can you highlight my thing real quick on just so we don't have to?
Let's see. Anyways, Oscar is tied to ACA Marketplace, and if those subsidies get extended past 25 guys, there's a 15 to 20% estimate should be low. Those their current 15 to 20% estimate should be low, guys.
Yes, what they're currently guiding for is without that. So if that goes into place, it's a 15 to 20% boost that they will get.
No, they're currently estimating 15 to 20% for 2026 and 2027, which don't include the subsidies because subsidies are set to end on 2025. And if the subsidies that are set to end in 2025 get extended, they'll be included for 2026 and 2027. So, moving on. Sorry.
No, you're good. You're good. Oscar Health, and I know that's becoming a favorite. Do we got any Oscar Health fans in the chat? Give me something. All right, we got a Tevis in the chat, by the way. Big fan. I know a lot of you guys will be fans of Tevis, doing a lot of stuff with the guys. Question for Jason, big fan of Technical Tuesdays. I'm looking to do CSPs at the covered call strike screen. What?
Cash secured puts.
Cash secured puts. Okay, at the money. I tried. Let's say 1 month out strictly from a chart, which is better. Assuming I don't want to get hit. LOL, BM&R, Duolingo, and Biz Hood. Now, Mr. Paper
Okay,
Games,
assuming you don't want to get hit, you cannot do at the money. Assuming you don't want to get hit, you have to read So you have to do it at support, and you have to do it when it's going down all the way. Like you have to do it as it's coming in real hot, real heavy, the second that it starts to come back up. You can't do it just because it's there. You have to wait for it. You have to wait for it to start going back up. That's number one. Number two, I would probably go a little bit further out. At the money is really tough. My cover calls got destroyed, but 45, and then I would probably go a little bit further than 30 days. I would probably go 45 days to expiration, because if you don't want to get hit anything, and then anything less than 20 days to expiration, you could get really hit. So the sweet spot is between 45 to 20 days to expiration. That's your sweet spot. So if you start it at 45 and then you close it before it gets to 20, that's kind of your sweet spot for not having a lot of crazy exposure on the price action. And maybe
By the way, I'm sure a lot of you guys have been hanging out with us for a while in here. It did say he was going to be live. I'm sure that was your first question. I'm sure your second question was, what time is the number or the index going to announce the rebalancing? It should be out at 5:15 p.m. Eastern is what time that ends up happening. I imagine your third question might end up being, how do I know when these are going to happen and when these rebalances happen? Here's the answer to that one, which is it is the first Friday of March, June, September, and December. This is when we get announced when the what stock's going to be added to the index.
The quarterly rebalance, which is separate from when a company gets acquired and there's an opening.
These are the known knowns. So yeah, and
Correct.
Generally it's about 3 stocks get removed and added. Last time for the June one, it was 0 got removed and added. They literally had us sitting here for like 2 hours or something. So yeah. It's funny. The themes of the questions are, where is Amit? That's definitely number 1. We're getting a lot of is that comment. That's pretty cool. And then
what time's got to be the most popular?
Where's Amit has got to be the number 1 question
Paper?
in here.
What? Like you can't see it. I don't have like a cheap camera, so I can't really autofocus.
There you go. You got I think Amit's live now for you guys.
Yeah.
We're gonna still hang out here, but you guys, we appreciate you for coming in and hanging out with us. Amit is live. Go check him out. But if you guys enjoyed Sam's channel, Paper channel, my channel, give the thing a like, subscribe. But we are staying live.
It's great seeing you guys. I'm gonna go to 0 people watching now.
Well, we hope you guys join us back next time. Amit did end up going live, which we love it. But I hope to everyone that Robinhood ends up getting in here.
Oh, that would be so beautiful. I'm gonna keep pulling it up because,
why not? Why not put yourself in a position to be vulnerable for content? I'm gonna put out the post, buying some of the 2x Robinhood ETF, a little bit going into it.
Is Robinhood?
Who knows? I'm
sorry.
We also have the Robin. SoFi is it not in the index? Is SoFi in the S&P 500? Let's just check that first. Just double check.
I keep on missing it. If that's the case, I keep on missing that.
Open to 82.
It's not officially been added to the S&P 500 index. Strong candidate in the S&P 500 eligible. Strong candidate above 22.7 billion. September 25 list not added yet. Well-positioned future inclusion. So it had to have been. Does SoFi meet all the requirements to be added to the S&P 500? Let's see what the chat's probably saying it.
Does MSCR meet all requirements?
It does, doesn't it?
It does. Ironically, it does.
If that happens, good Lord.
Market cap, the principal inclusions are... SoFi meets all the S&P 500 eligibility requirement. Its inclusion depends solely on when the S&P 500 committee decides to add it.
Whose dog is freaking out?
Oh, that's mine. Huh.
Is VST
MicroStrategy? I thought VST was in your post, right? Or was that Vertiv? Let's see.
Vertiv, I believe. I missed SoFi.
Does VST meet all the requirements to
I
be?
didn't
Someone says about my dog. We got the kids' toy going off in the background now. Does VST meet all the requirements? VST was formally selected and added to the S&P 500 effective May 8th, 2024. I guess it's already in.
I think that's not a bad VST because
Or
you know they
Vertiv,
just
you're
moved
saying?
Talon up, Talon Energy TLN from small to medium. Maybe that's a forewarning kind of
Connecting some dots. Yeah,
Yeah,
I thought
maybe.
paper. I said this right before you joined. I could see them doing maybe one of the tech type of companies and then an energy company. I think that would be the balance that we go for. It's like a Vertiv and then like, you know what was on the list? Like Toast was way down the list. I would love that one. That's personal.
Where
Reddit's
do
on
you
the
guys
list
get
though.
these lists, anyways?
Well,
I don't know.
there it is right
Come
there.
on,
But Reddit's actually on
Sam
this
is
list.
we pull up Sam's post and he conveniently leaves, by the way, and you just take it away right before he comes back, so we won't put him on the hook. But
Someone
like,
sent me a picture from Bloomberg. That's how I know.
dude,
It's actually just Sam's
the
core
lists,
holdings.
the lists are like the most ridiculous things.
Where are you seeing the
Sometimes-
official list?
There's no official lists.
It's just the
Oh.
guesses from
We're just throwing it.
Bloomberg
Let us
and
have
DOA.
fun.
Generic prognostication at its best. I love it. You know.
Just let
It's
us
all
have
good.
some fun.
Yeah.
Boo.
You should do a
right,
strategy
let's-
around this where you just sell condors on every one of these names because like 12 out of 15 are gonna win.
We're going to this the
Nine
Octo
FIV.
box. What 8 stocks do I have to have in my Octo? Oh, 6. What would 6 be?
Do you
I don't
have
know.
who do you have?
Hood, Applovin, right?
MSTR, Applovin.
I love me
Vertiv.
some SoFi. Let's get that one. MSTR, that's what you guys want to see in there. Vertiv.
Oh, let's ask the
Let's
chat
make
for the sixth one.
Let's get on the 5-minute chart for all of them. All right, and we'll
Chat,
zoom in a
what do you
little
guys
bit.
want for the sixth chart here?
For the
Ooh,
6th chart.
MSTR with a tick down. So yeah, we
got-
look on the
We
screen.
got
I have
5
6
names
charts.
up here. We
Reddit.
need the sixth one. We're gonna let the chat pick. We got MSTR already. We've got Vertiv. We have SoFi, Applovin, and Robinhood. Right now we have 1 vote for Reddit. We have a vote for Grinder. Okay, I don't think that one's getting in.
Sam is using
Carvana.
Sam's list includes ChatGPT's list too, though. So
Let's
Oh,
see
that's
here.
convenient.
It is not ChatGPT.
I'm sorry, he's moved over to Grok, so it's a little bit better.
Hey man,
It
I
seems, I'm
support
here.
Sam
I'm seeing
Altman until
Reddit.
I fully switch over to Perplexity. I'm trying to switch over to Perplexity, but it takes time.
Perplexity, dude.
Come
Yeah,
join me on
Perplexity's pretty
comment.
good.
Hashtag ad.
Yeah, I
Okay.
actually someone was gracious enough to
I
to
see.
send me an
See,
invite.
Coinbase is already in there.
Yeah, Coinbase was already added.
Coinbase, SoFi. So yeah, what we
already
got
have
up here? Hood,
SoFi.
Applovin, SoFi, MSTR, Vertiv. It looks like Reddit.
Grinder.
Reddit's probably the best one I've seen.
Poll.
That could be a dark horse. That really could.
What is
I'm not-
poll? No,
They want us to make a poll. I'm not YouTube equipped to do that enough.
You're
Sorry.
not.
No,
from
it's just,
Restream?
this is just too much going on, honestly. Shout out to the guy who does this with 20x the amount of people. Good for him.
Dude.
What do you
Yeah,
guys
but he's
think,
not
though?
for Restream, though, right?
It is tough with 4
The
people
issue
who
is
keep
to
wanting to
not
talk.
like we should merge onto one stream and
Well,
push it onto
listen,
one. That's what I thought we
comment
would
is
do.
clear. That's what I thought we were doing. We were kind of doing that, but we're look. I will say, paper Wolf Trading has 261 people. We've been killing it. This is the awesome thing. I hope you guys are enjoying this from the Wolf Trading. Definitely make
We're
sure you
about
guys
to do
are
a whole lot
subscribed.
more on this Wolf Trading. I see 285
All right.
people have subscribed now. Keep that number moving
We're
up.
doing starting on Monday. We're going to be doing live every single morning, live trading, etc. And then we're going to do some like education and things. But how many minutes until the announcement? 5:15 p.m. Eastern. You should start to see this.
10
Now,
minutes.
all you crazy people
10
are going to
minutes.
go onto this page. 10 minutes. All you crazy people are going to go on this page, and it's going to stop refreshing.
And,
Like it's
and they're
already
going to
stopping
crash
now.
it again.
So yeah. So I'm going to sit on
It
this.
literally
charts.
would
We're gonna
not
see what's
refresh
moving.
for 30 minutes last time.
And guys, we're not going to get got. We're not going to see Robinhood shoot up 10%, and then it's just some fake news. We're going to be right. But is this the time? Applovin is majority so far. Are you saying, did you make a poll, Sam?
Yeah, I did a poll on my channel. Half the people left.
Where can I get the dashboard? You're still chat's still going off.
Do you remember?
That's still
Do you
going
not
off.
remember? Reminds
Oh,
me, what
yeah.
is that?
This is Legend. This is Robinhood Legend. It looks
No,
nice.
no.
It's. I think it's good. I don't trade off of it, but
What was that one? It
subscribe.
reminded me of that one quote from a CEO, Grubhub CEO, and he said something and it tanked his stock. He said his customers were promiscuous, and promiscuous.
It's a tough
They'll
one.
just constantly go from one channel to the other and hop around. My crew's hanging, dude. We good.
What are you at now? But also shout out to Piet and Thomas who ended up subscribing. Listen,
I think
We
that we
do-
should do this, Evan.
We
If we
do have
want
to
to make
do this to one channel because the chats are in 3 places and people are missing.
I like
out.
this though. Here, as we do this, because I enjoy this. I like to see Sam's pretty little face. Number 2, right? We all love M's beard.
I will say, guys, I'm the ugliest person up here. I won't. That's why I'm just a private guy. I'm just a mid-looking guy. Listen, I'm the ugly one. These guys are all okay.
But
it's
video
okay.
podcasts, I think, is cool. If we do something regular, we could do like round robin or whatever. But a 1 day, 2 days. I always do a Monday. Then we can switch it up or whatever. But something regular that people can follow. Eventually.
Honestly, what if this is a random time to us have just found a crew of 4? Bang bang. Started out of nowhere, born on an S&P 5 inclusion spaces. The S&P 500 was rebalancing. Robinhood, SoFi. I don't want this one in there, but I was going to say MicroStrategy. Robinhood, SoFi, Applovin, all get in. We go in, enjoy our weekends. Robinhood event comes up.
Who are we kicking out?
130. I don't know. Williams. I know Tanner and them talk about
Kick out
Williams
Lulu.
Sonoma. I appreciate you, rambler. I'm a rambler. But I don't care who ends up getting in. We got a couple Asian Steve comments.
Asian Steve is best Steve.
Yes.
Oh God.
Guys, what are you talking about? Sam is a beautiful looking fellow. You better shut up.
Really-
I'm gonna ban you
really
from.
is.
Who has more grays now?
internet.
Over the years, have you guys noticed how many more gray hairs I've been getting though?
Oh, what's this?
This is-
Applovin with a
this
little
is-
move. We're early. Does someone know? Is this a fake move? Probably.
MSTR is moving down. It's early. It's still 7 minutes early.
We're 7 minutes early. Are we getting some fake moves here? No Robinhood moves. Sorry for interrupting.
Meta's
the website.
backstop is linchpin for 26 billion AI data center.
Don't
deal.
forget we have
That's
the ones that
1%.
could be
That's
removed.
1%. Yeah, but that's 1%, so that's not really.
Meta's not getting removed. Why are we talking about Meta right now?
No. There's a Meta headline from Bloomberg right now. 26 billion AI data center deal.
Dude, I'll tell you what, the news flow along with the September swoon type setup is just like, this is some epic chop.
Condor season.
Yeah.
Give me a second. I'll try.
Wait, 29 billion? There's already something for that in August 11. I don't know if that's old. Oh, 26. You're
Meta's-
correct.
Here, I'll pull it up for you guys.
The
That
grind
just
of
came out
Williams
on
Sonoma.
Bloomberg.
I'll give you one
When
rambler.
Meta turned to secure 2 lenders to secure 26 billion in debt funding for construction, blah blah. One key name made all the difference in fueling the deal. The technology giant agreed to a special guarantee on the Louisiana complex. A joint venture will actually build and own the 4 million square foot facility. Who are we saying this is with? I don't know. So it's basically it's not new that it's happening. It's the way they're funding
Lulu
it.
is not
is what it
in
sounds like the
S&P
story.
500. Is Lulu in any kind of large index?
I think Lululemon is in it. Is Lululemon in
No.
this? Yes, Lululemon is currently in the S&P 500 as of September.
Why?
That's what I
is
said.
that happening?
Kick them out.
Dude, yeah, that's got to go.
As I was trying to draw straws. Who's getting kicked out today?
Here is every stock that has been added to the index over the last, since 2023.
Wow.
So what? Lulu, there we go. Uber, Jabil, Super Micro. So we got the whole accounting fraud in here, and then it got kicked out. CrowdStrike. This might be before the scandal. I don't know.
Yes. It was
There we go.
August-ish.
Good job getting us that. But we are now 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Foot Locker buyout replacement. I used to buy Foot Locker back in the day.
Was it Dix that bought them out?
Is Etsy in the S&P 500? Yes, it was Dix. I feel like this is a no. Something went wrong. Never mind. Guys, something's going wrong again. Is Etsy.
Oh, GEV for the generation.
4 minutes.
Sure.
There you guys go. Comment.
3 minutes.
Maybe it's not all good.
What? What do you mean?
Ooh. All right, people. Here's the time. I want everyone in the chat to put one name that you think. 3 names normally get added. You can do 3 if you want. Give me some names that you think are going to get added in. Paramount. I think they're probably just going to get re-added in because of like Paramount Sky. Dick's bought them out. Listen, I'm not the one who named my store Dick's Sporting Goods. So,
What's wrong with Richard?
Listen, Giant Dongs. There's also the Costco near me is called BJ's. If you guys don't know that stock, but Robinhood, SoFi, Hood. And by the way, this is the Wolf Trading Chat. This is that squad. So you guys all think it's
I got a lot. I got a lot of SoFis too. Ooh, Snowflake.
Yeah,
That's a different one.
SoFi.
They can't. Snowflake can't. They're not profitable.
Yeah, there you go.
You're not No, I'm kidding.
That's
Very
right.
Carnival and Cruise Lines.
Applovin.
GEV.
SoFi.
May.
Enphase might get kicked. Oh, do you know what we can do? FinViz map. We can go over to Screener, and then we can do S&P 500, and then we can do performance. We can do year to date. Here are the worst performing stocks in the S&P 500.
Oh God! Look at Lulu at the number 1.
Lulu, TTD, Centene, Gartner, Enphase, Deckers.
I remember when Deckers got in. God.
Moderna's got to go.
Okay, these are stocks in the S&P 500 that are the worst performers over the last 10 years. That doesn't mean in the index that whole time.
Norwegian's there.
P-Sky, KHC.
Oh, no. WBD's there.
They've been doing good this year, though. They're not going to kick them out now. So these are some of the names that might be getting removed. We shall see. We got our screener up, though. Carnival Cruise Line.
Website's still
warning.
up, so
1 minute. There's 1 minute until the U.S. market.
I am sacrificing my post.
I'm scared.
Guys.
I don't really want to look. Lulu's got to go, and so does Moderna. I'm just saying.
Give me toast. Give me toast.
Come on, Robinhood. Let's pull up toast instead of Vertiv. No one cares about Vertiv. I actually do care about Vertiv, but people don't talk about it enough.
Oh, I want
got
toast.
It's over.
We got 2 toast fans in.
Zoom in on some of these 5-minute candles. I want to watch this reaction.
I wouldn't be surprised if Vertiv gets in.
30 seconds. Let's get a little countdown going here. 30 seconds.
30, 29.
Don't count it all,
MSC over the
please.
fake can. I was kidding. MSC over the fake can. Guys, we are not going to get got in this chat. We're going to take a second. We're going to take a deep breath. We're going to look at the big moves.
Who will be drafted?
I
would really like to play this NFL draft music.
There's a game today, by the way.
4.
I know. I have it on the soundboard.
2, 1.
Come on, Hoodie.
You got to move that chart down, sir, so that we can see that. You get a candle, it's just going to be gonzo.
On the right side. On the right
know
side.
How to.
That's fine. Keep it right there. Right there. Right there.
Change. Here it is.
Come on.
The Toronto one is out. They did this last time. The freaking Toronto one came out.
Yeah, this site's getting hammered.
Hood initial move is down, but I think we maybe just don't know.
Yeah, we just don't know yet. It's got to be a big move.
So the The headline I just hit is
Yeah,
for
Hood
Toronto.
is going down.
Hood's not
Hood's
even
going
moving
down.
on my screen.
150 cents. He's
That'd be so annoying.
$1.50.
Hey, I'll tell you what. If
Watch-
Hood's not going down, that's good. They figured it out when IBKR was added. So
Applovin with a
nobody's
little
telling
tick
us.
higher.
That's true. Applovin is
Applovin?
getting a
Applovin.
big bid
Robinhood
up.
is moving lower. All right, so what? We got Robinhood not in it. We got Applovin maybe in it.
Is Applovin
No.
in it?
No.
What?
Nothing.
Applovin not in it. But
How do you know
let's see
for
this
sure?
move.
It's
He
moving
hasn't seen the
up 10%.
confirmation. We'll give it a
It
second.
did,
Dude,
it did this
MSCR is
last
coming
time.
down.
Oh,
Wait,
Robinhood,
why
we're going
is it
the other
flashing
way.
like that? No,
We're going
what's
the other
happening to
way.
Hoodie?
What
What?
is happening?
Oh my
No.
goodness.
Stop
Come
it!
on.
Refresh the stupid thing. 107
This
lies.
happened
I'm
last
trying.
time.
This
Don't-
is so
I don't
funny.
believe it.
I feel like I'm at a horse track right now.
I'm not gonna. I'm gonna walk away. I
Come
don't want to do it.
on. This is
If
moving.
Hood and Applovin get in, that'll be so
No.
amazing. Can you imagine?
I don't want to. 108? No, dude.
Oh, yeah, let's go. Come on, just stick the landing, buddy. Stick the landing.
110. No.
I'm looking for squawks. Did anyone see any
There's
squawks yet?
no,
know.
there's nothing
Yes.
official yet. The only
Shenanigans.
thing that came out was the Toronto
Lies
one.
and deceit.
It could be anything. It could
Lies
be
and deceit. I don't want. Don't do this to me.
Don't get us the other way. Come
Hey,
on.
you make too much money.
Don't
Just
do it.
stop. Just stop.
Look, sell now,
You make
sell,
too much money.
sell.
So,
Stop it. I'm not selling nothing.
Should
Buy
I sell my
MSCR if
RLDN?
you want it.
No.
This happened like what, a month ago, 2 months ago? The same thing
Yeah.
happened.
Nobody has anything.
Some open outcry are pretty good normally. Applovin, Hood, and EME to join the S&P 500.
No.
That's the first read I'm seeing of it. He's
Dude,
actually
remember
So
last time?
crazy.
Look, and 27 people all shared that same tweet last time, and we all saw what happened.
let's see if it's right.
No,
We're not.
listen,
I haven't
I'm not
tweeted
gonna
it
get
yet.
smoked by this. I'm not gonna get smoked by this. I'm gonna wait till when Evan posts it, I will post it.
I'm gonna post it once I see it here. So, unless I'm seeing someone else I trust posting a screenshot of it.
I thought so too, but a lot of
Okay,
wrong.
Bloomberg.
How do you know
Bloomberg.
about
It is
that, dude?
confirmed. It's confirmed from a Bloomberg account. Put out the squawk. Applovin, Robinhood, and MCOR. EME.
Dude.
Joining the S&P 500. I'm waiting
Stop
to see the actual thing though. I want to get the photo. But there we go. Robinhood S&P 500 inclusion. I'm going to change the title of the stream. Put it over here.
Oh crap! Holy shimoly!
What's the ticker for MCOR?
EME.
EME,
EME?
like Eminem.
I don't see
I
it
don't
on
see anything
here.
official yet.
I know. I don't want to get smoked this time. So
No, listen, it's official. I'm telling you, this Bloomberg stock market news has called it. Race confirmed.
then it's official.
Robinhood and MCOR added. I'm waiting to see it on the website. A Bloomberg source I trust. James Safart. Bunch of people are tweeting out the squawk. It
I'm
is
gonna be
confirmed.
then.
I'm just waiting for my my thingy. I like for my tweets to look good. Wonderful twist.
listen,
Come on.
I posted it because I don't really
I
care.
posted it. I
No,
posted
yeah,
it.
you guys
I'm gonna
posted
be
it. Go for it.
swimming
I'm not a news source.
good this morning.
You guys are doing your thing. Stock market news. I take myself to a certain point, but I can tell you guys it's confirmed through the thing. I want to see it for
As
myself,
you
though.
should, man. 660K
Yo.
followers.
It's weird though because if they have those confirmed, wouldn't they know who got kicked out?
Yeah, I don't know why I haven't
Yeah,
seen it
that's-
yet.
that
I
would
haven't
be
seen anyone
included
talking
in-
about that.
That would be included in if there was an official news release. That
I
would
got
be
Yahoo.
included.
Wait, no, that's not it.
I'm telling you, Emp though, Bloomberg is
I'm-
pretty good with this. Let's
I'm
see.
gonna stay in the this isn't real yet camp.
Oh,
Fool
you know
me
what?
once.
I gotta get off the stream. I'm gonna get off the stream, turn off the internet, everything. This is how I'm entering the weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday.
I love it, dude.
That's
Wow,
it. This is how
wow.
this is how I'm starting my weekend. I don't want to hear anything.
I'm gonna text you in 20 minutes and ruin your weekend.
No, no, I'm gonna
No
block off
changes
all
to
of
the
Mexico. I'm cutting off
No
Mexico.
changes to the S&P. That's what I think is going to happen. This has got the same. So I saw a news release right at 5:15 for the Toronto Stock Exchange. This is the exact pattern that happened
Yeah.
last time when we sat here and waited. The
No,
exact
you even said
pattern.
it on Bloomberg. It said it on Bloomberg too, if I recall.
And then everyone started tweeting. A couple names made a move, and then they started fading. We should know who got. I mean, if there's a release of who got in, you know who got out, and nobody's reporting that.
I know. I don't want to get too excited. Now I have to stay. I have to stay.
It's added. No, it's added. I just can't. I just haven't seen it yet. But sometimes you gotta accept that other places can add stuff quick.
Almost every single big account posted
Caesars
it
and
last time, except for Evan.
Enphase, CZR and Enphase to leave the index. Apparently,
Oh,
In phase.
I'm still waiting, guys.
oh, Amit
It's okay.
posted it.
Doesn't matter. Sometimes we're
They
still
all
waiting
posted.
for everyone's
They all
posted.
posted it last time. I don't know. We'll see.
No, Amit did not post last time. Evan did not post it, but almost every single big
Stock
account
Talk.
I follow posted it. Yeah,
Stock Talk. A bunch of others
Yeah.
did, but they
When
all
Stock Talk
started
posted
going
it-
off the same.
Yeah.
They all just looked and went off the other people. They saw
There
the
you
chart
go.
move. Somebody posted it, and they all went.
When Stock
Nah,
Talk
but this
posted
is-
it, I was like, okay.
I want to know if I posted it first.
Oh no. Just start the weekend now. Just turn off Bloomberg's, guys. Let's start the weekend right now. This is great. Oh man, let's go.
This would be more of a got than last time, honestly, or in the past. It's confirmed. I don't know why it's on the website. It's kind of annoying.
Oh, the website's loading for you?
Is it? Let's see in a different place.
I don't know.
Let's see what this looks like. Got a nice spike in viewers. Well, hey, listen, we still got it out quickly. We knew what it was. We'll just wait for the thing. There we go. CNBC also just posted it.
Okay, it's official then.
Well, maybe they've gotten got before too. But yeah, Applovin and Robinhood to join
don't see
the
it
S&P
on
500.
Any of my news sources, I don't see it.
It's interesting how that works.
The two main news squawker sources I use don't have it, and a lot of the other people I'm not seeing.
There's people quoting me saying please don't head fake. I honestly, I've been scarred so hard. A part of me still believes this is not true. But what is true is that I have 20,000 followers. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much, everyone.
It's the best troll post you'll ever do again.
Yes. Oh, wow. You can't, whether it's fake or not, I'm above 20K, so that's fine with me.
Let's see. Well, I'm still not going to post until I get my confirmation, but well, good. And then honestly, we'll hang out. We got the weekend coming up. I definitely spelled that wrong. We'll let autocorrect come and get me from that. Let's give this a refresh. All right.
Confirmed. How did he confirm it?
He just put yeah. Listen, it's confirmed.
Amit had both the good post and the bad post prepared, so he had an essay fully prepared for either scenario.
He's on the side of the road right now, leaning
Market
over
access.
his phone.
Yeah,
Pull up a midstream, dude.
I'm watching his stream right now, dude. He's in the corner of a sidewalk, just streaming right now, probably.
He's sitting on a park bench, his phone's on the park bench. He's leaned over it, just screaming in the open air.
Market access. These are the difference. CEA.
Oh my god, this is crazy. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Dude. Is he on the balcony?
I don't know where
look
he
at
is.
some
He's in the airport parking lot, bro.
All right, here you go.
So funny.
All right, chat. We'll pull it up. It
Ooh.
is. Oop.
He's frozen.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not. We're not. I need to get it over there.
This
Okay.
hasn't
Stop
hit Financial
sharing
Juice
over
or
here.
Benzinga or the actual website.
Here we go. Let's mute this. Go look live a little bit.
Look at him. Huh. Look, he's just in a park bench.
Yeah, he's chill. Look, but let's see. Wait, where's the moment?
It's a little bit before this. Just want to see his face.
This is a brand new account, by the way. That's why we're not subscribed.
Anyways, dude, this
guys hear
is
this?
sweet.
you hear this?
is down half.
Can you
That's
hear this?
not giving us
No?
anything yet. My covered call.
All right, I'm gonna say that you maybe even can't hear me during that. Okay, let's go back to this. But I wanted to look also when they're being added, what market cap, like how like big there will be in this index, both of them. So what's Robinhood's market cap? Hood.
Don't know, don't care.
89 billion.
Tell you what, they're gonna have.
well-
Here's what I know. Here's what I know is, well, here's what I believe. I don't know shit, but I think that they're gonna have a really freaking good August, better than we probably know. And with this new thing that they're launching, anyways, sports betting. I know people balk at it. Whatever.
Well, they have an event on Tuesday.
And they have an event on Tuesday. Look, DraftKings has literally the best track record for September in the entire market. Literally the best track record in the entire market for September. And it's because of football. I don't think it's coincidence that they did what they did and the way that they launched what they launched. I think it's smart as hell. But anyways, dude, it's awesome. I think that for the foreseeable future, there's still more lines of businesses to go. Dude, it's next level company. I mean, they're just
Applovin, 65 billion.
Dude,
Pretty big.
honestly, John Tinsman is killing it with his ETF. He rebalanced and added Applovin to his ETF.
63rd. Robinhood will be added to the index of the 124th. Let's get this. Applovin is what they are 165.82. That would put them as 64, but Google's on there twice, so they're the 63rd largest. 63rd.
so also good that it's not like an extreme pump here. I
Is
think
Bitcoin
where are we
selling
at?
because of this?
yeah, we're
Can I
about
also?
109.
I really just want to also remind people of this. I put out this post earlier today. Preface to this post: I am stupid, still am. Right now feels like as good of any time to get my hopes up that Robinhood will be added to the S&P 500. Then we have the Robinhood Summit event on Tuesday, where they will announce a bunch of new products. Historically, Robinhood events have been good. Plus, I have stock market news partners. RecShares has a 2x ETF, so I can use their product. Shout out ROBN. Feels like a perfect storm. Bought 20 shares at 53.58. 53.58. Where are we at? ROBN. 64.87. What is that?
Whoa.
So
It's
I said
question.
earlier today. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see.
What a great way to start the weekend.
So look, I don't even want to sell this second because I mean I feel like we're gonna have a good little over the night. Let's
Dude.
give this a refresh. I am up. Quick maths. Why are you not showing me this? I don't know. Oh, I bought it in my IRA. That's why. Lol. That's exciting. I should just take the W. I am up 22%. I'm waiting for my photo. I still don't see it. What are we doing?
That's what I'm saying.
Justin, the S&P 500. The S&P 500. Just announced.
RIP my taxes.
Did Bloomberg put it out yet?
Yeah, they did. CNBC did. Bloomberg guys, it flashed on the Bloomberg terminal.
Well, what I'm saying, like,
no,
'cause
I don't
last
see it
time
on the website
Bloomberg-
just quite yet.
okay, I'm still alive here. I need some prediction markets for this. I would be buying no. Double down.
You'd be buying it at like 99%, honestly.
I'd be like 2 cents and then watch it shoot up back to 50. That's how Paper makes all his money on Sunday nights.
Yeah,
There's a
it's
game
gonna be
tonight.
it's gonna be a big season, dude.
Dude, last night you could have bought Dallas before the game at 21 or jumped to 40 on that first drive. I was stuck in a flash flood.
Let's refresh on this other browser. Come on.
I am looking everywhere and I do not see anything official from S&P. I don't see it on Benzing. I don't see it on Bloomberg. I don't see it on Financial Juice. I don't see a
Dude.
single news account really posting it. That
CNBC.
sources it. CNBC is wrong all the time.
Oh my god.
And now,
Fake
look,
news.
Paper's got his finger on the sell button because he's got his whole net worth just went up 7.6%.
Yo, Em, my wifey says hi.
Oh, tell her I said hello. I don't know if she can see me, but I'll wave.
No, she saw you. She's waving.
Well, okay, well, okay. I don't know where I'm at here.
Yeah. So I was wrong, by the way, on so help me understand this. Is Evan still here? Okay. So Applovin, Hood, and EME to join the S&P 500. Uber to replace Charter in the S&P 100. Caesars and Enphase to leave the S&P 500. Lulu, by the way, stays in. But so we're adding 3, we're removing 2. What am I missing? Where's the third?
That's what I'm saying. This is fake news. Like, we lost Evan altogether now. This is fake news. You're muted, Sam.
If this
Oh,
was
he was-
fake news, this would suck.
I think this is fake news. Like I see the charts reacting, but there is no source whatsoever. And the only announcements we have, so people announced 3 going in and 2 coming out. Does that add up to you guys? Or am I
Dude,
just the crazy one?
you-
Uber to replace Charter.
I hate you, man.
It's probably
I hate
Charter.
you. You're like literally always there to
It's probably
SHIT on my
Charter.
head.
It's probably Charter.
No,
I'm telling you, it's probably Charter. Because
Maybe,
Uber
I mean,
replaces Charter in the S&P 100.
but I'm telling you, every one of these people that are reporting this have said the same: 3 getting in and 2 getting out. What's the
Charter.
Where is my?
I don't know, dude. I'm refreshing everything. I don't see it.
All
I'm
right.
telling you, so it's
Can you hear me?
APP Hood,
On
EME to
that.
join the S&P 500.
AC, I
Uber to
apologize.
replace
Beautiful
Charter
guy.
in the 100. Hello. Uber
What's
to
up,
replace
CKT?
What's
What's
up?
up, YouTube?
What's up?
AC.
Hey, I swung Hood 105 calls
We'll have this guy.
and APP 540s for next week. So this shit better be real news.
I think you're
I just
fine.
want to let you know, Casey, I'm in the camp that it's fake. I'm dying on a hill alone here, but I cannot verify one piece of this, and I don't see anyone else. I don't know. Some things aren't adding up. I like the new office though.
Appreciate
Better
it.
than looks better than when you're sitting on the rocker chair next to the crib.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that! Yes,
Yes, sir.
I like the sign on the wall too. I like
yeah.
papers.
Let me
Sorry
see.
for
That's
that.
what I'm
Where's
gonna have to
my-
get next. I gotta get me one back here. I'll
Oh.
put it this clown. Wow, this
going
is
on, big
weird.
guy?
Oh, what's up? What's up?
Ah,
Let's see. There we go.
Oh, that's so
Hey.
funny. I think you gotta mirror
flip
your stream.
he's on his phone. He's
Yeah, I'm
Fair
on my
enough.
phone. Yeah.
Trump is
Sorry about
still
that,
just going
guys.
on and on and on. But
I am back. Okay,
You're
let's
having
look at some of these
technical
comments.
difficulties.
It has been crazy. Yeah, I think my computer, I don't know, my charger's also not working so well.
all right,
Let's
so
see some of these
chat,
comments. Let's go. I'm so freaking
chat.
excited.
Do we believe it or not? That's what I want to know. Do
Yes.
you believe it or not? I don't think I
Yes.
believe it.
Market access is getting out.
Yeah, that's what the report is. This is what my post is pretty much ready to go. I'm still going to do the Justin. I don't care. The real ones know. We got what? Now that I refreshed it, I can actually see 111 on paper gains. We got some of these comments. CNBC is not reporting EME. Interesting. Doesn't S&P 500 have 510 companies? Will they ever try to reduce back to 510 or 500? Let's go back to this. And then this, and then this, and then all the way to the end. 503. But also, again, Google, if you look at first, they are on here twice. And there might be a couple others. So it's maybe even
It's
just like
market
501 or
access.
something.
Yeah. So there's a full article here.
Listen, CNBC might have just run it. CNBC article, S&P 500 inclusion. I mean, listen, there is an article. They didn't even link to it. Normally they do.
What's this say at the very bottom?
It's normal for stocks to
Please
go
refresh
up
for
on news.
updates.
They always do this. That's what they always do on developing stories. That's not uncommon at all.
I think if CNBC,
You're such a Debbie.
pretty
Dude,
sure-
this guy doesn't even own any stocks.
Hey, if
He
you
doesn't
if
even
you,
own a single stock.
I own
he
Hood right now.
he always goes the other way
He
on
owns
everything.
a
Sports
share
betting,
of
stocks,
stock.
shorting the market, everything.
Hey, if you
I
go
have-
to Google and type in S&P 500 inclusion announcement today, Robinhood AI overview, first thing that pops up says, yes, Robinhood has been announced as the addition into the S&P
Oh,
500
there it is.
index, along with
Post is up.
Applovin. The
It's up now.
changes will take effect before the beginning of trading September 22nd, 2025.
There we go.
It's official.
It's up where?
official. It's official.
I see it. Look, I got the screen. All right. I don't know why they put something in front of it, but here we go. Before
Yeah, you see it?
before they open on
CNBC.
September 22nd.
CNBC's
CNBC
got it
did
right
get
here.
this wrong. They got it wrong last time, honestly. So yeah, don't rely on that. But cool. Yeah, nice.
What was
And
that?
here's the
What was
thing.
that you
Here's
just pulled up?
that was from the
It's official.
official website. The stocks will be out of the index before.
They just did another update 3 minutes ago as well on CNBC.
So
Guys,
Applovin, Robinhood,
official on the
M4,
website.
Market X users, and phase. There we go. All right. Post is out. Official photo.
Oh,
Got the website. We got it from here. Then you can go and look at this. We have Uber at replacing Charter in the S&P 100 mid cap stuff going on. I saw Kratos in here somewhere. Where was that?
Yeah, I saw
Down here,
Kratos.
being removed from there, so it's probably being added up here. As the S&P 400
Yay.
mid-cap. So moving up. Wendy's being added to the mid cap, the small cap one.
Let's
getting
go.
removed.
let's go,
No,
Wendy's!
They're being removed from the mid cap one, so they're actually moving down.
Oh,
Losers.
no. 4 for 4. No.
The company went to shit after they stopped doing the 4-for-4 deal, anyways.
Yeah.
Bro.
There you go. Hey, listen, sometimes you got to wait a second. Sometimes it is what it is. But, yep, there you go. Official moves. Maybe they even start to continue a little continuation. Enphase, Caesars, and what was the other one? MKTX? MKTX.
MK. Yeah, market access.
Didn't even move.
That one really doesn't trade very much.
I guess
And
that's why
phase
it's
barely
barely
moved. Yeah. Market access, nobody trades. That's the bond trading platform. That's a super old school.
What the heck?
All right.
Dude,
Bitcoin went down $1,000.
Bitcoin went down. Damn, what did Ethereum do? Did it move? 43. 5-minute chart. Yeah, I guess a little bit. Come on. I know BMNR is not ready. Give me a couple of years, but BMNR deserves S&P 500 inclusion. What a wonderful stock. Wonderful company. This was a really good kind of, though, a little...
dude, this
little
is
wolf,
so like...
This was a fun time. A little wolf trading
Dude,
bonanza.
I've owned so much Robinhood for so long. Like, you don't even understand.
I'm excited. I've been owning it. I will be at the Robinhood event next week as well, so I'm looking forward to it. That ROBN trade that I have, the 2x Robinhood, this is just one leg of it. You know, I'm thinking maybe we get a nice little move. What's the all-time highs on Robinhood again?
Don't know. Oh, just under 120, like 118, but but I'll see it 1,000 in 10 years.
Boom.
Swear to God,
What are we
dude,
gonna
there's
do?
sometimes like I just don't understand why, like, there's some companies, it's like I'll just look and I'm like, dude, I don't understand why I own many other stocks like at all. There are a couple, but this is one where it's like,
Do me a favor though. We might stay hanging out here for a little bit longer. I don't know how much, but one thing I do want to say: whatever channel you're watching this on, make sure you're liking and subscribing. At Paper Gains, doing some good stuff. Sam, he should get the return back on YouTube. I know it's a lot of time, but this wolf trading. If you're watching it here and you haven't already subscribed, you definitely should. We are doing all of that live trading on Spaces. We're planning on doing it on live streams. People love YouTube. Come in, hang out with us, subscribe to the channel. We're going to be live a lot more. And we appreciate you. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, come in and subscribe. And once you do that, it will show you our content a lot. Live streams don't get shared out that much unless you are following the channel. So subscribe to it. If you guys are already subscribed, this includes Papers and Sam's channel. Go in and hit that bell button so you guys can turn notifications on as well. But subscribe. We're working hard. We need to get up to 1,000 subscribers to be able to get monetized on YouTube. We also need to get 4,000 watch hours. I'll check it after, but given the fact that we were live for like 2 hours with like 150 people live concurrent during this, that's 1/12 of the way there. That's a W. We'll be there in a second.
I will see you guys later.
Sam, you guys, I know a lot of your chat is in here, and I know they were a lot of the active part of this as well. I know Papers too. You got anything you want to leave the people with Friday?
Great way.
West Coast. This is where the benefit is.
Yeah, great way to start the weekend.
dude,
I can't think of a better way to start my weekend than right now. Unless, of course, the market dumps on Monday, which then Emp is going to be very happy about that.
which then Emp, you just don't own enough.
He's a machinist.
I am long the market.
Dude, all I know is that hoodie is a BTFD on every dip for the rest of my life. That's all I know. But never sell bag, never sell bucket.
Let's let Sam finish though, and then we'll come around.
No, that was it.
Yeah.
Actually, hold on. I don't think I have to go.
I do though.
This guy hit us with a fake ad. All right, Paper. I would love to come. I want to give you the little thing. What do we got? What do you want to leave the people?
That was it. That was it. I thought we were signing off, but I got a jet. But I love it. I actually love this. want to do it a regular thing, happy to, but we should consolidate. But yeah, awesome for the SoFi crew. You're probably up next. Appreciate the MSTR crew. Maybe not yet, but probably.
No.
Get me
I
some
think-
DMNR in.
Not happening.
If MSTR got in, I don't know
Ooh.
really, because that means they have to report everything.
Look,
Is
it's
that me?
probably SoFi crew next. We're gonna give it to them. SoFi crew next. I would give that the highest probability if I heard a guess. But you got to be patient. But congrats for sure. It's been a wild ride. Wild ride.
Congrats, everyone. W's in the chat. If you guys are in the paper gains chat, go in, give us a W, give us a like on it. If you're in the Sam chat, give us an S. I want an S. Give me
An S. What up, this guy?
Whose mic is that?
No, I just turned off my my stream because I got a job. Actually, looks like we're above the 20 MA on Hood. So that'd be
Oh,
pretty
dude. Like, Hood is going to have a really good month of August. Hood is going to have an amazing September.
Yeah.
Like, I ran the numbers on DraftKings. I was shocked to see that DraftKings is like literally the best performing stock in the market for September. Like, period.
Oh, wow.
And it's because of NFL. And now imagine Robinhood has that same effect. Like, it's going to be insane.
Let's go, Genie.
Yeah, run the numbers. It's. Did you see it, Sam? I posted it.
I
I was
weird how I
shocked.
missed it because I have notifications on for you too.
I'll
Where'd you-
grab it.
You got a lot of W's in the chat. We got a thanks for streaming. We appreciate you guys for hanging out with us.
Did you put it in Discord?
No,
Are we not going to get
9% return in September since 2020. The 9% return in September since 2020. September 2020 itself 18%. 2024 18%. 66% in 2020. But on average for the last 7 years, it's 9% overall. Just because of football. And you already hear him talk about like add inventory for the Super Bowl, but it's September through February. It's crazy. But maybe that is over and it's coming over to hoodies.
Oh my goodness. This is insane. All right.
It's crazy. It took 30 minutes to get it up, though, after it happened.
So much excitement.
Is
So
this
we're not going to live.
thing still trying? Did the Perplexity browser crash your stream, Evan? Is that actually what happened?
Ooh. He can't even talk because his Wi-Fi is working too hard.
No, Lo, I was muted. I think what happened was my computer got to like 1% or something and it started to spaz out. My charger wasn't working. Is what it was. All right, here are the EMAs. So what you're saying it went into the, what is this? The
the daily moving average, not or 7 moving average, not.
This
not
guy let me do that whole thing before. No, I'm kidding. What was that, the one day? Oh, it is coming into what's this one? The 21 day?
It's red.
EMA.
It's the red one.
Yeah, EMAs they do 9 and 21, SMAs 20, 50, and 200. And then you got
Dude, you're complicating it for him, Sam. Come on. Don't make it.
I know he's trying to stunt on Comet right now, so you know
let's
I'll
put
let him
this
show
thing
off
to
his
the
capability.
I'm trying, just having some fun. Okay, let's see.
Are we
All right,
not
guys,
live
Jack,
streaming this
I love
game?
you all though.
Paper. I thought we were
All
live
right.
streaming this game tonight.
What I gotta set up the quant sub trading bot for the server.
Oh, there we go.
It's about to get
Check it out, too.
it's about to get
By the Chiefs?
insanely busy. So I got to get them prepped because I'm not going to be able to forward these messages. So I need to have this real time, bam, 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 because it's going to be, dude, I'm just telling you, our surgeon it's going to be nuts. No way I'm going to be able to keep up with that. No way, no how.
Dude,
All right. By the way, the game is in Brazil. That's definitely going to change some stuff. 8 p.m. Eastern tonight, and it is what? Chiefs are favored by 3.
The game is in Brazil. Oh, they do that.
Yeah,
I forgot
it's in
about
Sao
that.
Paulo. Yeah, it kicks off in an hour?
No,
2 hours.
2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours.
I don't know what time zone I'm in. 2 hours.
All right, chat. KC, we appreciate you. I know you kind of came in a little, and I know you were sitting there for a while. My computer started.
Speaking of, if KD is there, one of our member KD sent me these strudel, these things from Amsterdam. I got them. I'm almost out. Yeah, they were fire. Appreciate it.
Give him another one. Is that what you want?
No, I just want to say thank you on the stream.
Yeah, man. Thanks for bringing us on. Thanks for inviting me. Appreciate it, dude. I mean, I just want people to know, Evan, I've been following you since I just started on Twitter, and this is just crazy to be on here with you. So really appreciate you bringing me on here.
I appreciate you being here with us, and it was a good time. We got the chat was pumping. I enjoyed this. And we're going to keep doing this. We kind of got a nice little crew going.
We're going to have a little live trading that looks just like this very soon.
Yeah, Monday, we're going to be live. I hope you guys come hang out with us. We're going to be doing that here. So you should definitely be subscribed. And if you're on Sam's channel or Papers, search for Wolf Trading. It might be like the 75th thing below there. Let me actually bring it up.
The 75th thing.
I'm not signed into the YouTube. Appreciate you, Paper.
Peace. Adios.
Yeah, I'll see you guys later, too. Talk to you guys later.
Later, guys.
Appreciate you, Casey.
Yes,
Casey, do you have anything you want to say? I know we kind of just hanging out here a little bit, but my bad.
No, I was at the pool with the kids, so that's the reason why I wasn't able to tune in.
Can we confirm? Gav actually thinks that's your pool. Is that's like the community pool? Do you live in like a gated community or something?
Yeah. We live in a private community. We have an HOA. It's a pool right across the street.
Beautiful thing. Yeah, it looks nice.
Appreciate it. It is. We enjoy it every single day.
It has like a shallow in? Like we have one here, but it doesn't have like for my kids, it's not shallow enough.
Yeah. Like the entrance to actually get down into the pool only goes to 5 feet. It goes 3, 4, and 5 feet. But the first
it has like a splash pad entry.
Yeah, like 6 to 8 feet is like 2-3 inches of water for the kids, and then there's a staircase that goes down, so it's nice.
Yeah, I wish I had one of those. Like, because ours is just a normal pool. It's like you just go down. I don't even think it has stairs. I think it's just a ladder.
Yeah, it's nice. We pay $55 a month for an HOA, so we're going to use the shit out of that pool for the kids. So.
I respect it.
So, but yeah, I was at the pool with the kids, so I wasn't able to jump in. But then I saw a tweet come across the top of my phone, and I was like, I wonder if they're still on right now. That Hood and APP were getting, including the S&P. So it's not just to jump on for the last few minutes, what you guys were up to. So I appreciate you guys letting me come on and hang out for a few.
Yeah, we hope you join us during the week as well in some of these live streams. Listen, we just want to do more live streams. We're going to put them to X as well, and we're not going to supersede the spaces or anything, but definitely doing a lot more of these. You should come.
Yeah, absolutely. Now that I have the full office set up, I'm actually trying to do a lot more streams myself.
You need
on
a camera.
The channel and on X.
We're on your phone, aren't you? Aren't we right now?
So I use this camera right here at the top.
Gotcha.
So usually that's what I use.
Wait, turn it around again. Let's see the rocket ship. Ooh. All right, and Space's idea, series idea. Our traders, we're gonna do a setup tour once a week until we run through all of them.
Okay.
Emps goes first. I know he has a beautiful setup. Well, I'm just seeing mountains.
He's got the 49-inch curved monitor up here too.
And the great thing is, KC, you should do it right now because you're probably going to change it within like 2 months, so we could do it again. Boom, double.
No, I don't have enough room on this desk to change it right now.
Oh. All right, not bad.
I can't figure out where I'm at.
There you go.
Not the bad setup. We got the wide up top. I like it.
This is the This is the same monitor that KC has. This is another one, and then that's on YouTube TV right now because I'm waiting on the game to start.
All right, I
put
want
money
you
on the
guys
Chiefs
to.
early.
Ooh, okay. But they're gonna win. What does it say on Robinhood?
Oh,
What does it say?
Evan, my +8, Cowboys +8, we hit last night.
Hit? Nice. What we were talking about exactly happened. So if you guys don't know, we were saying so the Eagles on Robinhood were 80-20 to win. On the first drive, after all that stuff happened, I mean the guy spit on him. What the hell are we doing?
That was
After the first drive, it
crazy.
went to 40. And
Yeah,
then
I
from there it
bought
came
it.
back.
I bought the Eagles on the dip last night at 60. And then I full ported my entire Robinhood account because there's not too much money in there, and I was just sitting there. I was like, oh, I got money in there. I was like, all right, I'm gonna buy this dip on the Eagles real quick, and I just used the entire thing, the balance again. I just rolled it into the Chiefs today at, I think theirs was 62 earlier. I'm not sure what it's at now on Robinhood.
That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to go and look on Robinhood. What is this game tonight? Congrats again to the Robinhood people. I mean, I own. I'm going to the event. Can't wait. Wonderful event. Let's keep it on this for now. KC is 62 cents versus the Chargers 39 cents. I'd put my money
I'm
on
in
KC.
at 62 right now. Yeah.
What do you think?
I got money in on KC at 62 right now on Robinhood.
Well, see, we got a lot of you guys in the chat still talking. Hey, peeps, Volk, Mr. Ghost, Love Hood. The spit was staged. Do you guys think the spit was staged? Nah, come on. No way.
No one goes to a new team, a starting player, and gets kicked out before the game starts.
That's such a that's so crazy.
That was wild.
I got to bounce, guys. I'm going to go have some dinner with the family.
KC.
So I'll catch you guys later. Have a great weekend.
All right, you too, brother. Yeah, that spit thing was so wild. I mean, I just I could have barely refreshed. I barely had service. It was in the middle of a monsoon.
How do I say your name? Can you tell me how to say it? And TJ? Oh, it's probably just TJ. What I will say is some people are into that stuff. Allegedly, OBJ was into things.
Allegedly.
Also, this one, I don't want to skip over your comment. Guys, need your expertise here. I let my 104 covered calls expire today, given the price movement. Will these be exercised, though? A contrary exercise? You're saying, my guess is for Robinhood, 104, no, then they wouldn't be exercised if it was a covered call. You should be good.
No, the options expire at the bell.
Yeah.
So there's nothing to the after hour price action doesn't do anything. Trump talked forever during the middle of that stream, by the way. Like the entire time we've been live, he was talking, and he right when you actually got the photo of it is when he stopped. He said a whole lot of nothing, really.
By the way, I want to let you know because you guys are we're all doing this together. I appreciate you. I can't show the analytics on this. Well, yeah, let's actually do this. To get monetized. Yeah.
We're up to 315 subscribers. There's still 85 people watching on the Wolf Trading YouTube.
Here's what I want to show you guys. The analytics. To get monetized on YouTube, you need to get 4,000 watch hours over a year, and you need to get 1,000 subscribers. So this stream, we got 400 watch hours. That is awesome. We are 1/10 of the way to getting monetized. So I really, really appreciate it. Look at how many chats we had in here. So everyone in here, I can't even go through all, and like even everyone's hanging out in here now, like Emp, TJ, Jabari, Mr. Ghost, Niton, sorry, Mr. Ghost again, Volk. We had everyone in all the other chats, Anton, Skylar. Thank you for being here. We really appreciate you guys for coming and hanging out with us, and we're just trying to do some cool stuff, trying to build on YouTube and all this stuff. What is up, YouTube?
Should have had this hat on the whole time. What was I doing? I actually wore this hat all day today.
Look, we still got some distance to go on this one. Here's the analytics here. Look beautiful. They want to give us some insights. But yeah, no. So we appreciate you guys for being with us and hanging out here. And SoFi was not added to the index. Maybe next time. It is eligible to be added, but it hasn't been added yet. I'm probably gonna, if the Chargers Chiefs get to even, I'm gonna take the Chargers. Sorry. Take the Chiefs. That's
Yeah,
what my
it's,
head's at.
I mean, who knows? The Chargers have the ability to be really good or really bad, like every single week. You just never know what you're gonna get. Chiefs are still the Chiefs. These games where they play in another country, I mean, it's not like the Europe game because they're playing in this basically in the same time zone. Brazil, I think, it's like 1 hour ahead of New York, but it's still basically the same time zone. I want to say that it's at altitude, but I can't remember. Let me look up Sao Paulo altitude. 2,500 feet. It's not super high, actually. It's not too bad. But they're playing the thing that they are playing. They put this like the last year the turf was pretty bad down there in Brazil, so it could be a sloppy game. I remember last year, like that, both offenses they were slipping everywhere. There were people changing cleats in the first quarter.
Yeah. Okay, I do remember that. Okay. But the Chiefs just get it done. That's just what the Chiefs are.
Yeah, I mean, I think Taylor's going to be there.
All right, I got to go write my newsletter though. If anyone wants to see the stock market news free daily recap and you're not subscribed, go on my X page and just go to the link in my bio and it's there. But we don't need to do a whole promo for that. Emp, I appreciate you for hanging out with me and being here. Do you got anything you want to leave the people with on this one?
Only thing I'll say is make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the stream, but definitely subscribe because there are big plans for this channel right here. This is going to be probably a new hub, Evan. I don't know if how you want to word that, but this is going to be a big new hub for a lot of things. So you definitely want to go ahead and get subscribed here, especially if you like the stuff that we do on Spaces. A lot of that plus more coming over here too. So yeah, that's what I've got. I'm excited for it. I love this live
appreciate you.
chat.
I think that is a good way to do it. I agree. This we were going. This was too much. You guys were going too much today. My ADHD is. We'll see.
I
How
may
it
have
goes.
to. I may have to drive the comments next time for you because that way you
Nah.
get
Well,
to do
here's
the
the
other
thing.
stuff.
It was with a lot of people, and maybe my all over the place could be good for it, but we'll see.
I'm the same way too, though. We're both very all over the place ADHD, but no, I think we do need to like consolidate into one location because
I
the
agree.
comments, like if you commented in Sam's chat or in Paper's chat, it wasn't showing up in this chat, and we could see it all on the side of the screen, but like you guys can't see it all, so we need to consolidate that.
Yes, sir. I do agree, and we will. We're just trying to have fun, do the things. But I really do appreciate each and every single one of you guys for going in and joining me. If you want my free daily recap that I'm working on right now, again, like I said, go to the link in my bio. Let me actually quickly on X. And then we'll end it out in the second. And then Emp, if you have any final things, but link in bio. Stockmarketnews.com will take you there. I write a free recap every single day of how the stock market did. I have to take a little bit of time every day and do it, so I'd appreciate if you checked it out. Emp, any final last words again, and then we can end it?
No, I'm just waiting on this newsletter to get sent to my inbox. I need it on a day like today. Like I'm not gonna sit here and
I
like,
need it.
I missed like 4 or 5 hours out of the middle of the day today. I need my recap. I mean, I pretty much read it every day, so appreciate you doing it. It's free. Like that's crazy to me.
Bang, bang. I appreciate you. I appreciate everyone. I'm going to close it here. Have a great one, team. We will catch you all
Sunday
on Monday.
night. We're doing it Sunday night.
Okay, listen. Sunday night, we are going to have a live stream right here. Right here. I'll get the reminder link out soon so you guys can set it out. But join us. Appreciate y'all. Have a good one, team.